All right, in math, we're going to do this page today, and we're going to read a little book about patterns. So yesterday we practiced patterns with the little pieces. Today we're going to read a story about patterns, and maybe you can practice making patterns at home. So this story is called Beep, Beep, Vroom, Vroom. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom. It's about a little girl playing with her brother's toys. Beep, beep, vroom, vroom. Beep, beep, honk the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Cars are fun, said Kevin, for big kids to play with. I like cars, said Molly. You're too little to play with my cars, said Kevin. So it sounds like the big brother does not want to share his cars with the little sister. Kevin and Molly. Kevin, called Mom, it's your turn to set the table. Aw, Mom, grumbled Kevin. He carefully lined up all the cars on his shelf. When I come back, Kevin told Molly, I want to see my cars just the way I left them. Red, blue, yellow. So that's our pattern. That's what's going to repeat. It's going to happen again. Look, red, blue, yellow. And then it happens again. Red, blue, yellow, red, blue, yellow. Molly waited till Kevin went downstairs. Then, vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honk the yellow cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Uh-oh, she's playing with them even though he told her not to. Dad heard lots of vrooming, crashing, and beeping. Molly, said Dad, you know you shouldn't play with Kevin's cars unless you ask. Let's put them right back where you found them. Kevin always lines up his cars a special way. So they line them up. But look how they line them up. This is a big pattern. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, red. That's what's going to happen again. Look. Blue, blue, yellow, yellow, red, wet, red. Was that the way he likes them lined up? I don't think so. Molly waited until Dad went downstairs. Then, crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. This time, Mom heard all the crashing, beeping, and vrooming. Oh, Molly, said Mom, you've made such a big mess of Kevin's cars. Can you help me put them back the way he lines them up? So she did, but it's not the way he lines them up. Look at this pattern. It's very tricky. Red, red, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. That's what's going to happen again. It's going to repeat. Red, red, yellow, blue, blue, yellow. Molly waited until Mom went downstairs. Then, beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Now, Digger heard the beeping, vrooming, and crashing. Ruff, Digger barked. Ruff, ruff. Digger gave Molly lots of kisses, and he wagged his tail whoosh, 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 a little too much. The cars flew everywhere. Molly, called Kevin from the kitchen. You better not be playing with my cars. I'm coming up to see. Uh-oh, she's got to put them back the right way. Molly put the cars back on the shelf as fast as she could. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. Yellow, blue, red. Was that the way? She could hear Kevin coming closer and closer. Molly looked at the cars. They didn't quite look right, so she lined them up again quickly. Red, blue, yellow. That's the right way. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. Red, blue, yellow. When Kevin walked in, he found his cars just the way he left them. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the red cars. Beep, beep, honked the yellow cars. Crash, crash, banged the blue cars. Maybe someday you'll be old enough to play with cars too, said Molly, said Kevin. I think she's old enough now, don't you think? Surprise, Molly, said Mom. She was standing in the doorway. We were going to wait until your birthday to give these to you, but we think that you're old enough to have them now. Molly smiled at the shiny new cars. Then, beep, beep, honked the green cars. Vroom, vroom, zoomed the purple cars. Crash. So Molly finally got her own set of cars. I think any age can really play with cars. Even babies can. All right, so today we're gonna make some teddy bear patterns. These are called teddy bear counters, but we're gonna make patterns with them. So I'm noticing I just have bears, and then at the top I have the letters. So this is going to be an A-B pattern. A-B, A-B, A-B. There's 2 letters. That means we're going to use 2 colors, and the colors are gonna be yellow and green. So I'm gonna start with my yellow, green. And then that's what's gonna happen again, right? Start with yellow, and then green. And then one more time. It repeats 3 times. Yellow and green. All right, the next one, look it's got A-B again. A-B, A-B, A-B. So we're gonna use 2 colors again, and the colors are blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So start with blue. And then move to red. And then make it happen again, right? Start with blue. And then move to red. And then it happens one more time. Blue and red. The last one, it's also an A-B pattern, but the directions tell you that you can use whatever colors you want. So it says use 2 other colors to make your own A-B pattern. So first things first, you have to pick 2 colors. I'm gonna make mine like a Halloween pattern. I'm gonna pick black and orange. But you can decide what colors you want to pick. So I'm gonna do black, orange. Just 2 colors today. Black, and then orange, right? Black, and orange. And our whole entire page is all about A-B patterns. That means we're using 2 colors, right? Okay. Practicing some 4s. We're gonna trace some and do some by ourselves. So we down slide right and cut it in 2. Down slide right and cut it in 2. Start at the dot. Down slide right and cut it in 2. That's how we write the number 4. The bottom part. Down slide right and cut it in 2. Down slide right and cut it in 2. Start at the dot. Down slide right and cut it in 2. That's how we write the number 4. Ooh, and today it says draw a picture of 4 candies. What kinds of candies should we draw? You could draw lollipops or chocolate candies. I think I'm gonna make lollipops. So I'm gonna make 4 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna make a green apple lollipop. I'm gonna make a blue raspberry lollipop. I'm gonna make a grape lollipop. And I'm gonna make a watermelon lollipop. You can do your candies however you want, but you are just making 4. Make sure there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down here is the word for. F-O-U-R. 4.